there, it's Ashley from WTI, and I recently got the MAYCHAO Hot Pink Gel Polish. I am absolutely loving this color. It is a true hot pink, and what I really like is the color that it is in the bottle is a little bit brighter than after it cures under your lamp. So what that means is for your second coat is it shows up brighter and you can see exactly where you're putting your gel polish. That is a plus that I have never seen before in a gel polish. I also really like the bottle. It comes in this really cute sort of tan khaki color, matte finish, and it's an easy open top here, and you can see the color. Very bright, very popping, perfect for our vacation that we have coming up soon, which is why I chose this color. And I have to do my nails. I did my toes and it turned out so good. So if you want to spice things up, do your nails at home, save some money, then check these out. But that's just my point of view.